And I'm pleading with you guys, please buy local, because businesses are really suffering out there. Support your local businesses, you know, just to push people. They depend on this, and these are their welfare. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a food vlog once again, this time centered around the BUNNY CHOW. So historically, the BUNNY CHOW was made obviously by the South African Indians based here in Durban, and there are many variations to the story of how it came about, but the three that I read is that it was provided for the Indian golf caddies who were not allowed to carry any sharp knives to consume their food. Also, another one is that it was carried by the Indian slaves at the sugarcane plantations who worked there, and their wives actually made this up for them to carry while on the job because they were slaves. Okay, that was not funny, but anyway, the other one is that there's a restaurant, a particular restaurant in Durban, Victoria Street, where black people were not allowed to eat out, and they used to serve this cuisine outside their windows, you know, behind closed doors. And they did this so that both the blacks and Indians did not get caught with the takeaway, you know. I found all of them very interesting, which is why I've always been attracted to the idea of the BUNNY CHOW and how it came about. Of course, I'm an Eastern Cape girl, and I just wanted to give it a try and see why do people like it so much, you know. Why do most Indians swear by it? And I do hope that my Eastern Cape palate can get me through all of that hit, because according to TripAdvisor, the restaurant that I'm going to, which is named Goundens in Umbilo Road, is one of the hot restaurants, and they don't give you a choice of going mild, extra mild, or hot. So I will just get served what is there, and yeah, we'll see. Anyway, if you want to know how I achieve this look, I will link a video up here. I did it particularly for YouTube, and I hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll see how I can handle the Durban heat. Anyway, I thank you guys, and I will see you when I'm at the restaurant. And that's where we are going, guys, to get our BUNNY CHOW. Right over there. Can I ask you something? Do you know the history of the BUNNY CHOW?
No.
You don't know how it came about?
No.
You never asked anyone?
No.
I can't believe. And you're an Indian and you've never been curious. Guys, am I the only one who's curious about the BUNNY CHOw?
I can't remember what they said. I heard about it.
What did they say?
Okay, wait, I'll listen now, right?
Yeah, like an older person that can tell me, you know, how it started, because I'm quite curious. All right, thank you. The other one doesn't know either. Anyway, that's how the BUNNY CHOw looks. Thank you. It actually looks beautiful. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and you have to excuse the light in the place because it is a restaurant. And okay, I'm guessing you're supposed to use your hands. Not as hot as I expected it for now. Although it's piping hot, it's not hot. It's just piping hot. But I think I prefer eating with my hand as opposed to using the utensils. Very tasty. So let me dig in. I will definitely tell you afterwards how everything is. Alright guys, I am back home from tasting the BUNNY CHOW. I did speak to a couple of patrons at the restaurant who were very shy, were very camera shy, and I got a couple of stories. One guy claimed that it was a mistake.
It was a mistake.
It was a mistake, guys. It was a mistake that discovered this. Another claimed that it was just a convenient way of the story that I already know, which is from the slaves that worked at the sugarcane plantation.
Okay. So they got relocated and all the hard work now, that's how the bunny came up now, you see. It was a convenient food, not cooking it separate, like taking your rice, taking like this. It served as a container and it was convenient.
And the food.
And the food, yeah.
So
just take a whole in any curry, not even mutton, it's vegetable or anything. So that's what I know, that's what I heard from my family.
So yeah, it's basically the same stories retold over generations by different people. But anyway, regardless of how the BUNNY CHOW came about, I feel like it is such a rich part of Durban history, South African history, and my people who have never tasted a BUNNY CHOW, come down to Durban and taste the BUNNY CHOW. So I got a half BUNNY CHOW and a Fanta orange because I really wanted to keep it simple. The cold drink was just in case it was too hot for me, but I do think my palate has matured since I got to Durban, because I actually found it very tasty. In all honesty, I could taste the flavors in the bunny, but the more I ate, the hotter it got, but I still could handle it. So definitely they did listen to maybe complaints, because on TripAdvisor people said it was really hot, that you can't even taste the flavors of the bunny. I found differently, maybe as I said, my palate is a bit more matured in curry terms. But anyway, this is what's left over, which is a substantial amount of the bunny. So I have that still left over. I don't know when I'm going to eat it because I am so full right now. And as I said, the Fanta orange, it was altogether 85 Rand, so a reasonable price for a BUNNY CHOW in Durban comparing to other places. You must know that this has been rated the third best restaurant in the whole of KZN in terms of their bunny and their curries. You can go on to TripAdvisor, they would tell you the same. In TripAdvisor, it was literally number 83, I think, and I'm assuming that is inclusive of other restaurants, like your Chinese restaurants, like other cuisines, you know, and this number 3rd in the Indian cuisine. Yeah guys, I hope that this was informative as it was for me, for you guys. I was one musketeer, the other one is back home in Joburg. She's visiting family, which I'll be doing in the next week. I'm so excited. So yeah, when we are both back in Durban, we will be doing another review for you guys, another restaurant, another cuisine, another place for us to plug you guys on. Thank you so much for tuning in.